How to fix Discord gray screen. Today guys, I have the solution how to fix and solve this problem. Just watch this video till the end. So let's start. So first you have to go and open the settings of your device or your phone. Then you have to go directly to apps or applications here, and then you have to go to uh, like Discord. When you found Discord, just go again to storage option, then click on clear data, click OK and go back and click on force stop and click OK. And the last thing is to go into Play Store and updating your Discord. And that's it. I hope this video is helpful for you. Don't forget to like, also subscribe in our channel. See you in another video.